If your off-grid solar battery bank drops like a rock every morning, you probably aren't wasting power on lights or TVs. You're draining thousands of watt-hours heating water. Standard electric water heaters devour 3,000 to 4,500 watts every time they kick on. In this video, we're fixing that continuous drain by shifting water heating over to propane. Let's look at the raw numbers. Running a typical electric tank heater for just 1 hour can pull 4.5 kilowatt hours out of your battery bank. On a 48V system, that's almost 100 amp hours vanished just for a shower. By taking water heating off your electrical load, your solar array doesn't have to fight to keep up on overcast days. Instead of keeping 40 gallons of water hot 24/7 with precious battery power, an LP tankless water heater gives you on-demand hot water, only when you turn the faucet. It uses zero battery power for heating, runs on a tiny pair of D batteries for ignition, and a single 20 lb propane tank can last weeks. Key things to watch out for when installing. Make sure you use proper LP-rated fittings, check your water pressure requirements, and always vent properly if installed indoors. Pairing this with our propane dryer conversion means our heavy heating loads are 100% off the electrical grid. Load shrinking is the real secret to budget off-grid living. If you want to expand your 48V system without spending thousands on extra batteries, hit subscribe and check out the rest of our playlist.